Okay, so if you clicked on this video, you already know what's up. I'm going to style this crochet sweater vest that I had crocheted. I was gonna say knit. No, I don't knit. But yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Enjoy. First outfit is this androgynous work-ish type outfit. Yeah, and it's a lot of navy. I mean, if I had an office job, I would wear that. Outfit 2 is this no pants situation. Same thing, but just no pants and knee-high socks and me boots. Yeah. Oops. Wear a slip. My shirt's not the best for this. But it's okay. I'm sure you have a better shirt than I would. And this outfit, loving it. Feel like a cool girl in it. I just love it. And I paired it with these platform sneakers. You can wear heels if you wanted to just elongate your legs more. Feels so cool. And the next outfit is more cash with some jeans that I got when I used to work at J. Crew. They're high-waisted, so loving it. And they have some good stretch, and I needed that after a couple months. It got some Rona weights on me. And yes, I still wore the socks. Socks with jeans is a new thing. And yeah, pairing it with just these black minimal sneakers to go with the whole casual look. Here it is. And yeah, pretty easy. Next one, this. Loving this. I don't know, I just like it, the oversized look. And I got this for $1, guys. Yes, I'm checking myself out so much. If you used to look at my eyes, but I felt good. Yes, and then next one is this long blazer that I put on there. Yeah, not too much to say about that. Next one, is Edgy Grandpa. I honestly would wear this just as is with some boots that you've already seen. With even like a little choker thing, but we're not wearing it today. Instead, I am layering it with my sweater vest for some extra warmth and layers. And you see me tucking it a lot because it's so oversized. And yeah, because it's oversized, I feel like maybe I can make it asymmetrical. That's why I have it a little bit off my shoulder. Yes, I fell and the heel's not even that high, but yeah. There you have that outfit. Are you still watching? If you are, you're amazing. And I realized I want to put more outfits, so here you go. Later in the day, I'm doing more outfits, and here we go. All right, next outfit. So the same Edgy Grandpa, but more edgy. I don't know, more edgy? Yes, more edgy. So Edgy Grandpa at night. So I just threw on this leather jacket, and next one is this fluffy jacket one. I changed the boots to some Doc Marten Chelsea boots, and this next one is more preppy vibes, so work appropriate as well, tucked in again so it looks a little bit more put together. Not totally hating it. Yeah, I just want to keep warm in the office. So I forgot that I could just put the ties of the shirt by themselves without actually switching the shirt. So finally figured that out here slowly. Yeah, figuring it out. And yeah, right here, it can be a little tie. It's super versatile. It's more preppy here. All right, yes. Me just fixing my hair with my turtlenecks, but Here you go. This is another outfit. It is, yeah, Steve Jobs, but reborn. I mean, yeah, why not? With turtleneck, but sweater vest version this time. And the final outfit, I'm wearing a jumpsuit that I've had for quite a long time, but instead I am layering the sweater vest with it. So it's just a lot of layers, so keep in mind it'll just be a lot of undressing if you ever have to go to the washroom. Not the most ideal. And I am trying to cinch it in a little bit with the waist with this belt that came with the romper. Here you go. Yeah, if you need more layers in the winter, also like throw on a jacket, forgot to do that. Yeah, here's my butt because I don't know how to do these videos. And just a closer look at the sweater vest in a better lighting. Oh god, and we are done. I literally don't get how people film these outfit videos and not have a giant mess, or they probably just hide it. And I don't even have probably as much combination of clothes as they did. I definitely reuse some of my stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of this video. It means a lot. Like, if you liked it, let me know which outfit you did like, and subscribe to join the journey. And yeah, peace out.